Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be doing a bathroom clean with me. My bathroom was very messy and I definitely needed to organize a lot of stuff underneath the sink and in my little drawers. A lot of people liked my last cleaning video, so I decided to do it with the bathroom, but as you can see, we are going to be starting underneath the sink. It is a disaster. There are organizing buckets underneath there, but it's basically all just piled in there. It's not really structured, so I'm just going through everything and seeing if there's stuff I need to throw away and what I need to categorize. A major thing I needed to do was go through my medicine bucket, and I had stuff in there from that went bad in 2017, and I really needed to go through it and throw some stuff away and just make sure everything was up to date. And if you haven't done that, I would suggest doing it because I just didn't realize how soon medicine goes bad, I guess. I'm sorry if I sound a little stuffy on the microphone. Allergies are kicking my butt, so I'm sorry if my voice is annoying. I'll try not to talk that much. Everything that I'm putting in this bucket right here is my hair stuff. I bleach my hair from home, but I also have a lot of leftover colors from past dyes and a lot of things just to do with my hair, so I like to keep that in one bucket. I go back and forth of where I'm going to put things a lot right here, but I realized that I had so much tanning stuff that I just wanted to put it in its own bucket instead of with the refill soaps and stuff for my baths. It still might look really cluttered to some people, but to me this was a big step up from what it was, and I know where everything is instead of just throwing it underneath the sink. So I say that was a 10 out of 10, and now we're going to be working on the drawers. This is my skincare drawer, and I have a lot of things that I wanted to try, so it's definitely not the best, but I had a lot of stuff, so I wasn't expecting it to be spotless in here. But now we're just working on my miscellaneous, just like for when people come over, if they need pads and tampons and whatever. I just wanted to organize it a little bit more. I feel like a big way to get rid of clutter is just to take things out of packaging that's really bulky. But now we're starting on with the disaster of my counter. I just had a lot of stuff thrown everywhere, so... I'm putting in my new Bath & Body Works Wallflower scent, and I will say if you have never tried these, they are 10 times better than any other wall plug or scent thing. They just fill up the room and they last forever. Ignore my presence in this video. Obviously I'm cleaning. I'm not going to a beauty pageant, so I don't look the best. Using a magic eraser in my bathroom is like my biggest secret weapon because it just gets rid of soap scum so easily, and I dye my hair a lot and I've had old hair dye and it gets rid of any hair dye that might be stuck on the sink or anything like that. So I would say use a magic eraser for your bathroom. I'm going on with using a cleaner that I mix myself. I just use some bleach and water and then essential oils, whatever I'm feeling. I think this time I was using lemongrass. Lemongrass is really nice to clean with because it's a very fresh scent, and it's good for animals, so... I obviously didn't want to go too in-depth with cleaning my toilet, but I normally use Lysol wipes, if I can find any right now, just to clean it. And then I love the bathroom spray that like turns blue and then it's white when it's ready to wipe. I think it's OxyClean or something like that, but it just works the best. And no, I do not use gloves because I feel like it's a waste. I'm just going to wash my hands after I'm done. And also you'll see me using toilet paper because I was out of paper towels at this time. I love this foaming Windex. I feel like it works so much better than regular, just cleaner Windex. It just makes everything spotless. The last step is to clean the floor, and I will say that I didn't film me deep cleaning the bathtub because I did it the night before and I just didn't think about it until this day when I decided to clean the whole entire bathroom. But I did deep clean my bathtub with just some bleach and magic eraser and all of that. and I recently washed the bathroom mats, so I put those down, and now everything is finished and clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and let me know down below.